Quipall 3100 PSI Gas Pressure Washer takes on the toughest cleaning jobs around your home and yard. With a powerful 6.5 horsepower engine, it operates at 3100 PSI, delivering a flow rate of 2.5 gallons of water per minute. That's power to knock out dirt and grime wherever you find it, on the deck and patio, driveway, siding, gutters, vehicles, and more. Setup is easy. Just pull the cord and get busy. The Easy Start recoil system gets you going in seconds. 30-foot high pressure hose lets you reach wherever the dirt hides. There are 5 quick connect nozzles: 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and a soap nozzle. So you will always have the right spray pattern for the job at hand. And they change quickly with a simple push and click. There's also a built-in soap tank that's easy to access and fill, so you never waste time. When you're done for the day, the integrated handle and never flat wheels make it easy to roll back to the garage, and the fold-down frame lets you tuck it away. The Quipall 3100 PSI Gas Pressure Washer. Quality assured.